In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Kartra email. We'll walk through creating a new email broadcast inside Kartra so you can communicate with your audience quickly and confidently. Start at your Kartra dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the marketing section. This area houses all of your communication tools, and it's where you'll set up emails and text messages. Next, choose emails and SMS to enter the messaging workspace. Here you'll see options for creating and managing your communications. Go ahead and open the email/SMS option to begin a new message. The first field you'll see is the name of your broadcast. Give this a clear, descriptive name that makes sense later when you're scanning reports, something like June feature update or welcome offer a test. Good naming helps with organization and future analysis. You'll then choose the type of broadcast. Select the option that best matches your goal. For example, a straightforward one-time send for an announcement or promotion. This choice tells Kartra how to treat the communication, so pick the simplest option that aligns with what you want to send today. Now specify the channel. Select email so Kartra knows you're creating an email broadcast rather than an SMS message. Next, choose a template. Templates give you a ready-made layout that you can adapt in minutes. If you want fast setup, pick a clean, minimal template. If branding is a priority, choose a layout with a header image and sections for highlights. Remember, simpler designs often load faster and can improve deliverability. When you've found the layout you like, click Select to confirm your choice. Finally, click Create. This opens your new email in the editor, where you can customize content, adjust design, and prepare it for sending. As you edit, use the preview options to check how it looks on desktop and mobile. Keep your subject line concise and relevant, and save your work frequently. That's it. Your Kartra email broadcast is set up and ready for customization and sending.